What is up everyone, it's Hamdan on the channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Ulanzi A30 microphone. This is what I've been using for the past years. Don't mind how ugly the whole box and everything is, but this microphone is actually good. Like the K9 microphone, I've been using this since I started content creation, and this microphone never disappoints me. But one last time I shot a video on campus and then I lost one of the microphones. But then this is the other one. At times when I'm doing interviews, it's very hard because I always need to give this microphone to another person. I mean the person that I'm interviewing. So at times it's very stressful. So I decided to buy the Ulanzi A30 microphone. I got it from AliExpress and I'm trying to do an unboxing today. This is just going to be an unboxing. Full review will be coming after using it for some time, but today's video is just going to be an unboxing. Some of the things it comes along with, you just get to see whatever that is being added to the box. So that's it. And this is the microphone I'll be using, the K9. That's what I've been using, as I said earlier on. So let's head right into it. I'm sorry, let me place it. Oh god. So now let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, this is just an outer covering of the whole thing, nothing new. So I think this is the whole thing is inside this rubber, and there are some I used to like these things when I was a kid. The sound they used to make after, let's say, my parents getting a new device or something. Honestly, this was just some form of nostalgia back in the days. Yeah, so let me do some. It just reminded me of some childhood stuff. But yeah, this is not what we are currently interested in. So let's go ahead and open up the microphone. This is it. This microphone, you can use it for your smartphones and you can also use it for your camera. So if you are using a digital camera, you can actually connect this to your camera. Yeah, this was being introduced to me by a friend who is also a YouTuber. So shout out to him, Chef One TV. I'll link his channel in the description so you can go check out his videos. He's also a tech content creator. Man, I really appreciate for one of our videos that you shot with these microphones. So after the video, the whole thing was actually good. So the sound was very clear and it was having like noise cancellation features and all those things. And I asked him what he used to shot the video, and he said it's the A30 Ulanzi A30 tiny microphones. And after which I also go online. I mean, that was AliExpress, and I was able to get same product. It took like 3 weeks to get this, and it's being shipped to the Ghana Post. So I went there and I paid 5 Ghana cedis and I was able to get this. So let's do the unboxing. Sorry, Ulanzi, I'm sorry. I need to do this. If I don't do this, we won't get to see you. So that's the rubber. And this is the actual box. After opening it, this is a user manual about how you can go about the whole thing, how you can maintain it, how you can set it up and all those things. In my full review, I'll be talking about the setup and everything, but this is just going to be an unboxing. These are some stickers you can attach to the microphone to make it look more cute, like more nice. So these are some, in case you want to attach them to the microphones. Yeah, this is a qualified certificate, meaning the thing is actually coming from Ulanzi itself. Ulanzi is a Chinese brand, so you can check out their products. I learned they have a whole lot of good products, but this is just my first thing I'm purchasing from them. So, and we are just unboxing, after which I'll do a full review. I think the whole thing is in a case pod. So let's open it up. So here are the microphones. This is the first microphone, second, and then this is the transmitter. So you just need to connect this to your phone or your camera or whatever device you want to connect it to, and you just on these and they will be automatically paired together. So you can see TX1. One of these is called TX1 and the other is TX2, and this indicator will get to show when it is charging and all those things. If you want to cancel out the noise, you just press this, and for you to increase the volume, you press this. So these are just the basic stuff. And for the charging, it comes with a case port. So what you just need to do is to place it inside. These are the charging ports. So I will remove this covering over here and just place it inside, and then it will start charging automatically. And I think there is a magnet inside. If you place it properly, it goes into the thing. Yeah, and the whole thing is very nice. Like, it's not that bulky. The build quality is nice, but upon doing my review, I'll be sharing whatever that I've learned from this. So watch out. Let's still see what they've included in the box. I think there is some listing. Yeah. What is this? Let me see if I can open this up. Sorry. Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, I thought I'm almost done. Sorry. I think it's the charging cable. Yeah, it's the charging cable. Wow, there are even two cables. Let's see what's inside. The first one is the charging cable. So meaning if I want to charge this, it's a type C, so it will have a very fast charging speed. So I'll just need to plug this and then add this USB type A to my charger, and I'm good to go. And this is another cable. This is used when you want to connect it to your digital camera. So if you are using a digital camera, unfortunately at the moment I won't be using a digital camera, so I won't be using this, but maybe along the way, when I get a camera, I'll be using this cable. So let me put it into that case so that I can keep it at a safer place. Yeah, so let me remove the charging cable and place this back. And I think they've added another thing. Let's see what. Wow, it's a bag. Wow, that's a bag. So meaning if I want, I can always put this, like store this at a safer place, like just inside this bag. That's nice. And they've even written their name, Ulanzi. Wow, that's a very nice bag. I'll be making good use of it. And inside the bag, they've added these things. This hairy thing can be attached to the microphone. So at times, you know, when you are recording at some certain places, the air noise will be distracting you. So to cut that off, you use this. It's just one. I thought they were going to be two. Let me check. Okay, there are two. I thought it was one. Most microphones comes with two. So it surprised me when I first got one, but now there are two. Let's still check and see what's inside. Yeah, they've added some magnets. Let me open it up. Magnets. Wow, the attachment is very strong. Wow. Damn. So the magnets they've added, there are two, so one for each of these microphones. So for instance, how to use one is you just take your cloth, put the magnet over here, and then you attach the distance, and you can see what I mean. So people will be wondering, how is it that you are able to attach the microphone to your shirt? It's just the magnet. This is a metal, so you just hide the circular metallic magnet beneath your cloth, and then you just attach the microphone and you are good to go. The attachment is very strong, so there won't be circumstances about the thing falling down or something like that. It's actually very strong. And these magnets are two, so you can definitely use it. You can definitely use them for both of the microphones. So yeah, and these things are some hard shell couplings for this. So in case you want to, let me see. Wow, I don't know how I'm going to go about it. Don't worry, I'll do a full review and you get to see some of the things, but this is just it. I think if you want to cover it, this is how it goes. You need to remove this one and then you put this, in case maybe this outer shell get destroyed, or if something bad happens to it, you can easily change it. And we have 2 blacks and 2 whites, so in case you don't like the black color, maybe during your photo shoot or where you are going to shoot your videos, the environment is actually white and you don't want the black to be showing, so you can go in for the white casing. So what you just need to do is to, I think you can easily remove these are this thing, so you can just press this and remove it and then attach this to it, remove this black and attach this to it. In the full review, I'll be changing all these things, so this is just an unboxing. And these are some of the things that the microphone came with. So yeah, in case you are using an iPhone, this is what you are going to be using. So yeah, what you need to do is to take this out and take your transmitter and attach the transmitter to the iPhone and then plug it to your iPhone device and you are good to go. So that's it. Very simple. If it's a camera, you use the camera cable, this one I was talking about. If it's a normal Type-C device, you just use this. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Away bass. A full review will be dropping soon, so stay tuned. Yeah.